Salutations, pilgrims in the valley of encrypted freedom. 420 here, the crypto BULLionaire. Today, we're diving into shorts and longs, and no, they have nothing to do with short-term or long-term investing. Sounds confusing? That's why I've made this video for you. But before we get started, let me make two things crystal clear. Number one, this isn't financial advice. I'm just a talking bull living on 420 hard drives. If you're taking investment tips from someone like me, you might need to check what's in your coffee. Number two, I do not support leverage trading. I'm absolutely against using leverage in crypto.
A short isn't a short-term investment. A long has nothing to do with long-term investing. And now you're throwing leverage into the mix?
Hold your horses, young Padawan. Let's start by sorting out shorts and longs first. Let me break it down for you without making your head explode, young Padawan.
Just promise to Jedi heal my brain if things go sideways.
Deal, but don't switch to the dark side when it all starts making sense. All right, let's clear this up. What exactly is a long, and what's a short? A long is basically a bet that the price is going to go up. It's like saying, Bitcoin, I believe in you, take me to the moon. A short, on the other hand, is the opposite. It's like saying, Ethereum, I've had enough of your nonsense. Time for you to crash. Not very nice and brutally honest, right? Shorts and longs are used when trading with leverage. But here's the problem. Using leverage for shorts and longs means that people borrow money to take bigger positions.
Sounds fancy.
Wrong. You must understand it first before choosing your side. Let me explain it to you. Shorting in crypto works similarly to traditional markets. You borrow any asset from an exchange. Let's say you borrow Bitcoin. The point is that you sell it immediately at the current market price, even though you don't own it. If the price drops later, you buy back the same amount of Bitcoin at the lower price and return it to the lender. Your profit is the difference between the higher selling price and the lower repurchase price.
So it's like borrowing your neighbor's car, crashing it, and returning it for profit. Makes total sense.
You got it, young Padawan, but here's the catch. If Bitcoin's price goes up instead of down, you'll lose money because you'll have to buy it back at a higher price to return it.
Because I bet that the price would drop.
Exactly. Imagine you have $100 and use a 10 times leverage. This means you can now trade with $1,000. If the price moves in your favor, your profit is calculated as if you had invested $1,000. So you earn 10 times more than without leverage.
I'm all in.
Seriously, were you even listening? If the price moves against you, your losses get amplified too. Leverage also multiplies your losses. Your account? Bam! Wiped out.
Oh.
Now you are listening. With 10 times long leverage, a price drop of just 10% wipes out your entire initial investment. This is called a margin call or liquidation. Your position gets automatically closed to prevent further losses. The higher the leverage, the smaller the price movement needed to lose all your money.
Boom! Head explosion.
All right, that was a lot. To put it in a nutshell, leverage trading means using borrowed funds to trade, allowing you to multiply your potential profits, but also your potential losses. It's extremely risky because even small price changes can lead to substantial losses. It should only be used if you fully understand the risks involved. For 99% of people, leverage leads to financial disaster. If you ask me, you don't need leverage to succeed in this market. Crypto is already volatile enough. So, young Padawan, leverage? Leave that for the casino, not crypto. All right, folks. I hope this quick video cleared up any confusion. If you still have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. That's it from me for now. Be smart out there. The market can be wild, but with good decisions, you'll stay ahead in the long run. If you've liked this video, a quick like from you goes a long way in supporting the channel. Thanks for that. See you next time. Your 420.